Hi friends, welcome back to the channel and to the final video in our series on crafting a leather spacecraft by hand. With the spacecraft itself completed in the previous videos, today we'll focus exclusively on creating the stand base that holds the spaceship horizontally in place. Since this video demonstrates the same methods of gluing, cutting, and stitching leather, it will be very straightforward to follow, so I'll let the video do most of the talking. For this section, I'll be using vegetable tan leather, dyeing it entirely black so it doesn't overshadow the striking blue leather of the spacecraft. To start, I'll use black professional water stain from EcoFlow and apply 3 coats of dye to a few pieces of 2mm thick vegetable tan leather using a wool dauber. Once the dye dries, I'll follow up with a black stain from EcoFlow and apply it with a toothbrush specifically reserved for this job. I find that dyes tend to lose some color when I apply carnauba cream for polishing, so adding an extra layer of stain helps maintain the color intensity. When the stain is dry, buff the excess off with a clean cloth and then seal and polish the surface with some carnauba cream. To achieve a shiny finish, let the cream dry truly before buffing the surface again with a clean cloth. At this point, we can start working with the template on the leather. The base is designed to be 4mm thick to securely hold the spacecraft, even if it contains some weight. To achieve this, I first finish the front section of the larger piece, glue it to another piece of vegetable tan leather, and then punch the stitching holes again. Afterward, I cut off the excess leather and finish the edges with burnishing gum. During the process, I also stitched the edges as marked in the template before moving on to the other parts. The other 3 sections follow the same process as the larger piece. To assemble the stand base, I start by stitching one of the side supports to the base using the cross-stitching method we've been using throughout this project. You'll notice that this stitching run doesn't go all the way across. It stops in the middle, leaving a space for an unmarked stitching hole. This is because the centerpiece will later be stitched and fixed to the side supports through 3 stitches as shown in the video. Once the first side is stitched, I move on to stitch the centerpiece first to the base and then to the side support. Finally, I repeat the process for the last piece, which is the lateral support on the opposite side. When completed, the stand base should look like this, and with that, we have officially finished our project. Friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this series and found it valuable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more upcoming leather crafting projects like this one. If you're interested in trying this project yourself, you can find a template linked in the description below. I'll leave you with some final shots of the finished spacecraft. Wishing you all the best, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.